If you're looking for an easy pie to make for the upcoming holidays, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, I'm putting this out there. I am not a baker. I don't enjoy baking. I don't like having to mix all those ingredients together and rolling out dough and all that kind of stuff. I'm just not a baker, and I'm not a big sweet eater, and that's probably a big portion of it. But whenever I do a recipe that is a dessert recipe, y'all know it's going to be an easy, simple, but delicious one. And today I have another delicious, easy, simple one for you. I am making a no-bake cream cheese pumpkin pie, perfect for the upcoming holidays. So I'm going to stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, so I have a 10-inch graham cracker pie crust, a container of whip topping or Cool Whip. I have cream cheese, milk, vanilla Jello pudding mix. I have, or instant pudding. I have some pure pumpkin, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And friends, that is all the ingredients we'll be using. All right, my friends, I was taking the lid off the pie crust and I dropped it and broke it. So it is what it is. We'll make the best of it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and mix the bottom layer up first. So I have did I tell you? I don't think I told you where I got this recipe from. I got this recipe from, and I'm going to link it below for you. It's from Princess Pinky Girl, and it will be in the description box of this video, so you can just click on the link and go right to the recipe and print it out. So anyway, I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese in my bowl. And then we're going to add in the Cool Whip and the sugar and mix it really well. So let's go ahead and add all that in. Alrighty, so here's my 4 ounces. Now I'm going to add in half the container of Cool Whip. I did let this thaw in the fridge. Put this over here. And then we're adding in a 1/4 cup of sugar. And now we're going to go ahead and just mix all this together. My hands are clean. I just washed them. Alrighty. Now let's bring our pie crust over, and we're going to put this right in there. I don't know if you heard that or not. That was my ice dropping. Okay, I just need to be super careful since I broke my pie crust. Can't believe I've done that, but just going to do an even layer right here on the bottom. Go. There. Not too bad. I was a little worried. Not bad at all. Just making sure it's nice and even all the way around. Perfect. Alrighty. Let me go ahead and just wash my hands real quick, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, my friends, we're going to go ahead and just use this same bowl here. Instead of dirtying another one up. I am going to add in a 1/4 cup of the vanilla Jello pudding. It's pretty much half the package. And then I'm adding in a 1/2 cup of milk. And we just need to stir this until it becomes thick. You can definitely see it thickening up. You see that? Okay, I think we've got it there. Now we're going to go and add in a cup of the pumpkin. Okay. We're going to add in a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Whoa. Oops. A half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And a half a teaspoon of, it's too much, cinnamon. And we're just going to stir that. You want to mix it really well. And this is going to be our second layer of the pie. Alrighty, bring our pie over. Then we're going to go ahead and add this right on the pie. I'm always making a mess. Alrighty, now let's just spread this out. Oh, did I just get that on my shirt? I hope not. Wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Alrighty, now let's just get this all off of here, and then we'll finish it off with our cream, or not cream cheese, our whipped topping. So let me get that back out of the fridge. Alright, my friends, now we have the last of the Cool Whip or whipped topping, and we're just going to put that right on top. Just like that. And then we're just going to spread this out. You just gotta be careful when you're spreading it out that you don't pick up the pumpkin and get it in there. So you just got to be a little careful. But you can see it's not hard at all. Alright, my friends. Now we're going to just go ahead and put this in the fridge. I'm going to put it in overnight, and I'll take it out tomorrow because I'm going to take this to work because it has sugar in it and I cannot have sugar. So I will check in with you tomorrow and show you how it's set up. Alright, my friends, it is the next day and I just took my pie out of the fridge. I'm going to cut a small slice and do a quick taste test, but I'm taking the pie to work because it does have sugar in it and I don't want to have it around and tempt us. So this is what it looks like. I'll do a close-up. So let's go ahead and slice into it and see what it looks like and what it tastes like. Alright, my friends. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I think I'm going to go ahead and slice all of it just so that way it'll be easy for those at work too. get it out. Oh, it's sliding out. No wonder my pie crust broke when I dropped it. Ah. Alrighty. I am making a mess, friends. And there we go. That is not not overly pretty here. But that's okay. All right, my friends, so there you have it. I cut it small. It didn't it's very soft. It's not like, you know, solid. Very good. Very good. Oh my goodness, I can't get the pie crust. That is really delicious, friends. Absolutely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you end up making this, let me know in the comments below. And also, friends, please don't forget to hit that little subscribe button. And please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.